Hey, what's up, guys? We're here for box number 21 of 2015-16 Upper Deck Series 2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the teams random going. There is the teams from Ducks to Jets. Gonna be 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see here, 3 times. All right. So Jamie gets Arizona, Francois New York, Danny Philadelphia, Danny Minnesota, Matt Boston and Washington, Vancouver goes to Chris, Edmonton goes to Jeremy, Mike Dallas, Wayne gets Pittsburgh, Wayne Montreal, Chris gets Anaheim, Kirk San Jose, Buffalo goes to Tommy, Nashville Predators goes to Jamie, Jamie gets Columbus, Francois New York Islanders, Tommy Chicago, Jamie and Jamie. I said Jeremy, I think. Uh, Jeremy gets Colorado and Detroit. Mike gets Toronto. Francois gets Ottawa. Mike gets St. Louis. Kenny, Carolina. Adam, New Jersey. Adam, Calgary, Tampa. Tommy gets Jets. Uh, Jamie gets the last two, LA and Florida. I'm going to copy this list. I'm going to post it right here. All right, let me give you guys another look at it. All right, I'm gonna random off the box. There's 6 boxes there on the table. I'm gonna see which one we're gonna use for the break. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Box number 5, 3 times. All right, so we're gonna use box number 5 for this break. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one. Good luck, guys. Maybe Dylon DeMello Rainbow, OPG rookie. Got a Peter Straka for Philadelphia, Young Gun. Got a UC Saros. UC Saros. Got a jersey Logan Couture for the Sharks. A Martin Jones jersey for the Sharks. Jersey. OPG, I meant to say. Emile Poirier portraits for Calgary. We got a Shane Prince for Ottawa. A Mike Green OPG for Detroit. We got a Michael Boedker for Arizona. We got a Brandy Skijji for the Rangers. A Brady. A Brandy. A Derek Steffen. A Jonas Dunskoy. Ooh, we got a Noah Hanifin red. Carolina. Nice card. We got a Mark Alt for Philadelphia. A Gustav Olofsson for Minnesota. A Jordan Wheel for LA. We got a Antoine Slepisev for Edmonton. A Brock McGinn for Carolina. We got another Carolina hit, Noah Hanifin, portraits. For Detroit, Andres Antanasio. Canvas Milan Lucic for LA. A Jarrett Sparks for Toronto. PK Subban canvas from Montreal. Max Domi OPG rookie. Well, that's all for that break. Thank you very much, guys. Got box number 22 coming up.